Fibonacci arcs add a time element to Fibonacci retracements. The Fibonacci Retracements Tool is based on a vertical line from trough to peak or from peak to trough. It is only concerned with the change in price. In contrast, a baseline after an advance extends from trough to peak at an angle that is dependent on elapsed time, positive slope. A baseline after a decline extends from peak to trough at an angle that is also dependent on elapsed time, negative slope. The slope and length of the line depend on changes in both price and time. A big price movement over a long period of time produces a long baseline with wide arcs. Conversely, a small price change over a short period of time produces a short baseline with narrow arcs. Chart on the screen shows Home Depot with the Fibonacci Retracements Tool and the Fibonacci Arcs. Both indicators extend from the July low to the September high. Notice how the baseline slopes up and is longer than the vertical line in the Fibonacci Retracements Tool. Whereas the Fibonacci Retracements Tool shows static retracement levels, the Fibonacci arcs show dynamic retracements that evolve over time. Fibonacci arcs drawn after a decline slowly work their way lower, which denotes falling resistance zones. Fibonacci arcs drawn after an advance slowly work their way higher, which denotes rising support zones. Despite these differences, both tools are used to anticipate support, resistance and reversals.